I'm wondering what this button does.
Well, let's press it and see what happens.
Awesome idea. I agree with Alpha Pig and Wonder Red.
Me too.
Super Y, Alpha Pig, Wonder Red, Princess Presto, and Woofster. What did you five just do?
This is bad. We are trapped. Now your uncle and I are going to be mad because of you. And we are call the firefighters to save us.
Please move away from the doors. I will free open the doors now. What happened? Why did you need Tom, Rose, and me?
Well, Mrs. Gonsin, your kids pressed an emergency button on the compost.
But we just wanted to know what the button does. That's all.
Are you serious right now? You five should know by now that this is the emergency button. This is only used for emergencies. That's it. We will find $1,000 since there wasn't an actual emergency.
Oh my god. Super Reaters, now we are fired because of you pressing the emergency button when there is not an actual emergency. Once you get home, you will be grounded big time.
When we get home, we are doomed.
Super Y, Alpha Pig, Wonder Red, Princess Presto, and Woofster, we are furious at you after your uncle and auntie notified us about you pressing the emergency button on the elevator. Just for that, you five are grounded for 21573905764543286464536 weeks. Go to your rooms right now.
Oh my god. Seriously, stop crying like babies, you dumb readers.